Hello again, it's Teacher Mel. I've been a lecturer, writer, and editor for quite some time now. It's my aim to help especially those who need to take English proficiency examinations like Ielts, Toefl, Toeic, Eiken, Versant, and others. And these examinations have very specific criteria, and as with most tests, are timed. In short, you need to be quick. Read quickly, think quickly, and think in such a way they will be able to write and speak to in a better way. This is the kind of training I hope to give you here. The last time we did adjectives. It's better adjectives. In this video, we'll have better verbs. So remember, a word is an idea. A simple word means a simple idea. A simple idea, simple thinking. That's not what we're going for. Our aim should be better words, better ideas, because better ideas mean better thinking. Our goal is the same, to develop higher order, multifaceted writing skill. Because strong and effective writers not only copy others' work, but those who can synthesize information and produce quality output of their own. Again, our focus is on verbs, so we'll use better verbs. Especially for the very essential or the most basic ones. Let's start, and let's take the sentence as an example. Paint me a more vivid picture. What's in my head might not be the image you have in your head. Here are what I consider the most essential verbs. Brace yourselves. And you can actually use these many words for speak. And there is more. And even more. You're right. Let's just speak. Where did I get those other words? On thesaurus.com. Please check the website out. The link is I'll get somewhere here on this video, and I'll include it in the description box below. And here are better words for walk. It's flee. Isn't it better when you mean somebody left almost like to escape something or to run away from somebody? Approach. Approach your teacher or your boss for help. Definitely better than saying, go to the teacher or your boss for help. Depart. The plane has departed. Better than the plane has gone. Hit the road. Get going. Or go. You say, I've got to hit the road now. I have a train to what? I have a train to catch. So that means I have to get going now. I have to go. Set off for the office. Set off. You can say, I set off for the office at 5 a.m. That early. Or I set off for an appointment. It's much better than saying, go to the office. Or I need to go now for my appointment. About we do this when we are in a very like boring meetings, for instance. We skip out of boring meetings, boring events, boring parties. Quietly, but surely, it's leaving the meeting or the party. So, what sort of images now are in your head? Definitely more concrete than when you use go. We examine the case, details of something, we look at something very closely or carefully. We pore over documents. We dig interesting books. We plunge into, dive into, we bury ourselves into a subject matter. We hit the books, especially during exam periods. We read books. We learn the ropes of something. We study how something is done. All of these you can use for eight. A suggestion: you have the thesaurus and check sample sentences for these words. There are way too many for me to include everything. And so we'll leave it up to you to read the rest. Please go ahead and bookmark the thesaurus now if you haven't done that yet. Wasn't that a very exciting activity? I don't know about you, but I always get excited when I discover something new, like a new way of learning better words. Not just from books, newspapers, online articles, but from a thesaurus. My thesaurus of choice is thesaurus.com. I suggest you use that same website. That's it for today. Next week, we'll see why active verbs sometimes win over passive verbs. Till then, thank you for watching.